Hi there folks, welcome back to the channel. We both hope you're all keeping really well and having a fantastic weekend, don't we?
Yeah, definitely.
We've been wanting to get this video done now for a few weeks because a few weeks ago we hit 800 subscribers, which we're absolutely buzzing about. We really do appreciate all the support, all you guys that subscribe, all the comments, all the thumbs up. It really does mean a lot to us both, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like I say, we hit 800 subscribers a few weeks ago, and we've been wanting to get out and do this video then, but we've been so busy with one thing and another. Claire works in a hospital, and her shifts have meant she's had to work weekends and night shifts, so and we've been busy with one thing and another as well, so it's been difficult for us to get the time out. My job, it's dark when I set off for work and it's dark when I get home, but yeah, we're out today. We thought we'd take this opportunity and get out in the garden in the rain and get this video done out the way. But yeah, we'd like to say a massive thank you. We really do appreciate it, and he's a dog. Macy wants to be in on a shot, don't you, girl? Yeah, we really do appreciate it, and this is our 800 sub giveaway. We've gone over that now. We're in 850, I think we are, aren't we?
Yeah, that's last time.
Yeah. But yeah, right, what I'll do, I'll show what the prize is going to be for this giveaway. Now, what we thought we'd do is buy this, and it's the TBS folding EDC knife from the Bushcraft store. I'll bring it over to the camera. There we have the knife there. It's curly birch scales, and it's stainless steel blade on a Scandi grind, with a Scandi grind. We can see, I don't know if the camera's picking how well it's focusing in on that, picking TBS on there, and then we've got the boar emblem there, and it's absolutely beautiful little knife, nice and comfortable in the grip, perfect for little tasks. It's a snap-in lock blade, it doesn't lock altogether, so it's a legal carry. The blade length is short enough so it can be carried. But yeah, this is going to be the prize for this giveaway, and what we'll do, we'll leave this open till the 15th of December, which is roughly around about a month's time. Then we'll draw a winner and get this sent out to whoever wins, and then hopefully you have this in time for Christmas. How to enter this? First and foremost, you need to be a subscriber. So if you're new around here, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for future videos. In the comments, what should we put in the comments? Put EDC, type EDC in the comments, and I'd like you to share the video as well. So first of all, you need to be a subscriber, you need to share this video, and you need to comment EDC in the comments and let us know in the comments as well that you've shared it and where you've shared the video. And then like I say, in December we'll do a draw and let you know who won. What we'll do, we'll just allocate people numbers, we'll draw those numbers from wherever, 1 to whatever it may be, and we'll pick a winner. But yeah,
nice little Christmas present.
Nice little Christmas present. Nice little knife in it. You like it, don't you?
Yeah.
But yeah, and we'd just like to say to everybody, thank you very much for all your support and sticking around, because like I've said, we really do appreciate it. And we're going to wrap up the video here because it is absolutely pouring down, and we'd just like to say once again, thank you so much for all your support, and as always, stay safe. Bye for now, and we'll see you on the next one.